Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to go down in my storage bench and find those clip-ins that I had did a video a while back on. I have not worn them for a while and I decided that I was going to restore them. So they actually weren't that bad, but they did have a lot of product buildup. So I decided that they probably needed a good washing. So these are the Sally's clip-ins, and they come with 8 pieces. What I did was I just put all the clips together, and I decided to wrap a rubber band around them just to make it easier for me to wash them. So next, I definitely had to give these things a good brushing out because they had a lot of tangles, and they have been just sitting in that bag for a while. So I just brushed them out real good. So yeah, I smelt them, but they didn't smell that bad. I just thought I could just tell by the feel of them that they were greasy, but the smell wasn't too bad. But here I just washed them, pretty much just any shampoo that I had around. Um, this is like the oatmeal honey or oatmeal shampoo, but I just went ahead and washed them really good a couple times. And then after that, I just followed with the conditioner and I let it sit for a while and then I rinsed it and I was done with that. Hello. Well, I want to tell you guys that I did end up getting those clips kind of wet because I wanted to get the shampoo really close to the roots. But, I knew I was going to blow dry them straight, so I really didn't worry too much about that because it was just a short period of time they were wet, and then I went ahead with the blow dryer and made sure that they got really dry in the process. Now, that rubber band kind of got in the way, so I did end up taking that rubber band and kind of doing them more individually, and I got them pretty straight, so that's what I did. But they end up coming out really straight. They did pretty good. I didn't put any product in them at this time, but I'm gonna do that after I install them. So yeah, this is the part where I go ahead and install them. I have another video where I just install clip-ins if you want to check that out, but I'm gonna go ahead and just do a quick install here. But these clip-ins are pretty easy to install. Like, it's a quick process. There's only 8 pieces, and you don't even have to part it really that straight, because no one's gonna see the parts really. So I went ahead and I just put a small section in the back, have a little bit of hair up under that, and then I just go ahead, because you want a little bit of your hair up underneath, or you just have like clip in straight to your neck, and you don't want that, but. So I went ahead and I just put a little section in between each part, and it's pretty quick and easy. Yep, so you just want to make sure it's looking pretty blended. I haven't even straightened my hair yet here. I had, well, my hair was straight already, but it needed to be re-straightened because it's been humid out, and I have, I pretty much have to straighten it every time I go out now because it gets really poofy. My hair is like one with the weather. So yeah. But yeah, I just went ahead and made sure I got all 8 pieces in. When you get to the last pieces, they're just like really small pieces, and those are the ones that I use at the top. And it's 4 of those. Now these are longer wells, and then the 4 pieces at the end, I just use those where I think they're needed at the top. See, these are the pieces I'm talking about. So it's 4 of those. I think I ended up using only 2 here, but later on I decided that I needed all 4 because you pretty much want to go on each side of your head. So I did 2 on, well, 1 on one side of the head, 1 towards the back, another, with 2 in the back, and then 1 on the other side. So yeah, I needed all 4. So I use all 8 pieces. So now I'm going to go ahead and straighten them. I put my flat iron on 428. This flat iron can go a little higher than this, but I kept it there. This is that Paul Mitchell skinny serum as well, which I've been using lately. It's supposed to prevent frizzy hair, humidity, things like that. So I've been using that. This is like my second time using that, but it's been working pretty good. I was supposed to do a review on it, but I didn't end up doing it.
I don't wanna be stuck up, but I'm on my way to the party. And if you didn't come with us, well then you're in the way. Oh sorry, and we ain't never gotta stand in the line. Security say me and mine too fine. You and your girls outside like two lanes. Attitude Mac man way two chains. Time young, love for and fool young. Sit back, do say till it's done. Everybody with me going up, and if you with the shit, throw it up. We're my homegirls, and we don't play. We ain't playing with you. Know you better get out my way. I like the club scene, but I don't like outside of my way. I like to get clean. Pretty baby face tan, can't see my waist. Get out my way. Get out my way. Little thoughts, get out my way. Get out my way. Little thoughts, get out my way. We like to party, so we looking for the girls, but we don't want your body. Get out the way, ho. Get out the way, ho. I be on my 1-2 step. She be in a whore on the dance floor. That's the way you wanna act up. He gon' want more right around for. And I ain't giving up the box like that. He better be trick daddy, rub it at the hat. And he still gotta pay a few more bills. This is where baby ain't no cheap thrill. We're my homegirls, and we don't play. We ain't playing with you. Know you better get out my way. I like the club scene, but I don't like outside of my way. I like to get clean. Pretty baby face tan, can't see my waist. Get out my way. Get out my way. Little thoughts, get out my way. Get out my way. Little thoughts, get out my way. We like to party, so we looking for the girls, but we don't want your body. Get out the way, ho. Get out the way, ho. Go take them leggings off. We see through them. And you ain't built for what you rockin'. All the boys that think we're cool rock ice with suits and Jimmy Choo's. You wanna wear, you got more than you thought. Tryna get up all the giving all that you got. You wanna I like glossy, but I don't like outside of my way. I like to get clean. Pretty baby face tan, can't see my waist. Get out my way. Get out my way. Little thoughts, get out my way. Get out my way. Little thoughts, get out my way. We like to party, so we looking for the girls, but we don't want your body. Get out the way, ho. Get out the way, ho.
Okay, I'm gonna finish my makeup and then I'll show you the final results. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. So thanks guys for watching. I think they turned out pretty good.
I did end up having to put a little oil sheen, and that helped out a lot, but I might have put too much because I got a little wave, and that's hard to get out. But it makes it look more natural, so I don't mind. But I like it, and this is the final results. I had kind of fell off from using my clip-ins, but I think I'm back in love, guys. Stay tuned for more videos. I'm also going to do a Windsor haul next, so make sure you check that out. I got length, y'all. I got length. But that's the final look. Thanks for watching, guys.